Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.5 2018 T590, T595 and T597 models. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM tray using a plastic car pry tool or picker, and then gently move around the frame edges to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, take out the back cover and disconnect the battery plug, and then undo 9 screws on the battery. To take out the battery, take out the large sensor flex cable by disconnecting both ends, and then disconnect the LCD and main flex cable connectors. Next, by using a pry tool, lift the broken battery. Next, place the new battery into the body and then connect 3 flex cables into the board. Next, secure the battery by inserting 9 screws and connecting the battery plug. Next, clamp up the back cover into the body. Starting from the top, place the back cover and ensure the clips are secured, and then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.5 2018 T590, T595 and T597 models. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.